Hi class, today I'm going to talk about adapting to your audience, building strong relationships. I chose this topic because as an event planner, building relationships is key to my success. Your audience will respond more favorably to you once you have established your credibility. If your audience does not know you, you will have to spend a little more time establishing your credibility to ensure your audience sees you as a trustworthy source of information. To build, maintain, or repair your credibility, emphasize the following characteristics. Demonstrating honesty and integrity will earn you the respect of your audiences, even if they don't always agree with you or welcome your message. Objectivity. Show that you can distance yourself from emotional situations and look at all sides of an issue. Be aware of your audience needs. Directly or indirectly, let your audience members know that you understand what's important to them. Credentials, knowledge, and expertise. Audiences need to know that you have whatever it takes to back up your messages, whether it's education, professional certifications, special training, past successes, or simply the fact that you've done your research. Endorsements. Statements on your behalf by someone who is accepted by your audience as an expert. Performance. Demonstrating impressive communication skills is not enough. People need to know they can count on you to get the job done. Sincerity. Be sincere in the messages that you give. In addition, believe in yourself and believe in your message. And remember that your company's interests and reputation take precedence over your personal views and communication style. In my role, I have worked very hard to build a strong relationship with my leadership team and to ensure that they are confident in my abilities. I am currently working on an event that has a price tag of $1.2 million. My first task was to select the location. Aside from building relationships with the venues I was working with and ensuring we were receiving the best deal possible, it was even more important to me that the leadership team was confident in my ability to make a decision. After traveling to the 2 different locations and comparing properties and offers, I was ready to present my recommendation to the leadership team. My challenge was that I was recommending a property that was over $50,000 more expensive than the alternative choice. I presented my recommendation, and not only with facts, but passion as well. I brought my vision to life in my presentation and convinced the team that spending the extra money was worth it. In a matter of minutes, with no hesitation, I was given approval to move forward with a contract. I was told that I was the expert and that they trusted in my judgment. Hollywood, California, here we come.